Hi everyone, Winston here. This week the big rolling dog crate was on the move again. The weather was getting cold, so Mom and Dad moved the RV, with Lindsey and I, further south. Since they like the beach, they decided on a location that we have been to before, Port Aransas, Texas. The cool thing about this place is you can park your RV on the beach as long as you have a beach parking permit. You can stay 3 nights in any 21-day period. While we were parked on the beach, the weather was in the 70s, it was sunny every day, and no heat or AC was needed. It was awesome. I was able to lay by the door all day long. In this video, you can see me lying at the RV door enjoying the view. Like my hat? Since it's November, there are not as many people at the beach as there are during the summer. I was able to run on the sand and chase the birdies. It was so much fun. I did not go in the water, though, because I'm afraid of the waves. Since my RV home does not have unlimited resources to keep Mom and Dad comfortable, it needs to be in an RV park in order to have access to fresh water and sewer services. I can pee and poop outside. They can't. They can run the generator and use 12-volt power when we are parked at the beach, but after a while the water supply runs out and the tanks fill up. We had plenty to last for 3 days that we are allowed to park at the beach. So now, the RV is hooked to services and relocated to a place that is less than a mile from the beach. Mom and Dad biked over there yesterday, but I did not get to go. They said if the weather stays nice, they will take me back to the beach in a few weeks. And since I'm a beach boy, I can't wait. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to I can't talk. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, if you haven't already, so you can keep up with the travels of Mom, Dad, Lindsey, and this full-time RV living Pembroke Welsh Corgi with a tail. Also, feel free to ask me a question about being a full-time RV living dog in the comment area below. Thank you. This is Winston, signing off.